welcome to Inspired Dreamz. This your girl Taja, and I'm back with a quick video. In today's video, it's Self-Care Shadow Work Saturday. I hope you can sit down and do a 5-minute journal prompt. Today we have a 3-part question. If you need to pause this video to complete, you may do so at any time. You will need a pen or a pencil, your shadow journal or notebook, yourself, and your mind. You will be given 3 shadow work journal questions with 5 minutes to complete. If you need to pause this video to complete, you may do so at any time. Let's begin. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute journal prompt. Our next prompt question will be posted on 4/23/22. I hope to see you there. Don't forget to order your shadow work prompt journal. It's available now on Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. P.S. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on those post notifications to see more videos. See you later.